at Timia. Now we're going to the seminar. So after a half day, medyo pagod na din kasi aga namin nagising. And then we did 2 islands na medyo very adventure yung second na we went inside the cave. So nag-shower lang, then straight na sa conference. We're excited to see some of our friends, yung mga nakasama namin nung marriage retreat sa Japan. So I think they're all here. We're complete. So it'll be fun to see them. You ready?
Go!
Alright. Okay. Nandito na kami sa hall. Sa new hall. TRC.
Hello po.
Hello. Dito. Okay. Anna and Eric. Yeah, thank you so much. Wala nang pipilaban. Pasok na. Alright. Okay. Alright. Brother. Yes. Alright, thank you. Okay. Oh, yeah, medyo malamig nga. Oh, there. So far wala pang tao. So mamimili na lang kami, brother, kung saan kami upo. Okay. Alright. Oh, there we go, the coffee. Yes, this is what we need. Hi, Grace. Hello. What's that?
Ang hyper! Sabi niya, ano suot ng Grace? Sabi niya tayo alam ano.
Suot?
Island o pang conference? Oh, cold? Hot?
So, this is the board where what do you expect? Do you expect from this super conference? So, may mga nakalagay na learn from fellow TRC member experience nila, sharing experience with other TRC and having fun, and got to know more business people and learn from them. Yeah. Okay, so far kami pa lang konti pa lang kami nandito, and it'll be fun. Yung dumadami ang mga participant here at the super conference. So we met a lot of people already in different businesses. Dami na ang what's that? Expectation board. Uy! Hello!
Hello!
Ito mga big time mga franchise. Oo, malilupit na franchisee. Tara.
So medyo mabuti. Kapit na yun? Mabuti talaga. And then meron kami mga kumakantas na.
33. Okay. Sana
35. Pasensya na po sa partner ko. Medyo malaki.
sabi ni Drew.
Set mo the lowest number.
No, number of employees.
Walang taga-donate dito ha. So,
nandito kami.
Walang alphabet.
Walang taga-donate.
Okay, see. First.
Okay, next.
7. 18.
Oh! Okay, mali.
Wala na.
Mali na.
Ay, hindi pa nakasali si Sir Larry, no? The Lord is ready. As people are gathered, let all creation cry out to Him. So we're singing, we're dancing, we're filling this space with all of our praises. The Lord's in this place. We're singing, we're dancing, we're filling this space with all of our praises.
Bright smiles, share bright smiles. Minimum of 5 people, but we will not 5.
Five.
Minimum.
So this is the 9th Super Conference. Merong naka-attend ng all 9? Wala? All 9. Tatlo? All Sacramento. Sino ba? Sino?
The other camp will say, Brother Bo, let's be practical. Hello? How in the world can you even be happy without the basic needs? Can I complicate this debate? May I? I want you to think of this. United Nations has a World Happiness Report. They do this every day, very carefully, very extensively. Brother Bo, merong alam ako na nagko-coexist ang greed and generosity. May kilala ako mga corrupt politicians. They're very... Our mentor, he taught me the stock market ever since 2007. And we've been teaching thousands of people to invest in the stock market. Chairman, founder of COL Financial. Let's give a big hand to him. Nagkama din ako kanina, sinabi ko yung mga mastermind, hindi kailangan ng goal setting. I forgot, may goal para si Edward, 1 trillion in assets in COL. Wow. That's the goal.
When I set up 35 years ago, the dream was to have a million customers. After 25 years, wala pa rin, pero malapit na. And then this year, when we celebrated...
Here, in the Bene Cafe. Okay, so this is a special coffee. How do you call this?
So it's called pour-over coffee or filter coffee.
Filtered coffee. Okay, this is amazing. There's many different flavors. Try to speak. Okay, so there's like a blueberry, mandarin, orange. See? Okay. So this is amazing. So I order one of this and one of this.
A lot of you, when you get your Didache, when you get your devotional book, you already go straight to January 1. Maawa naman kay Kibo, ginagawa naman ni Bo na pinaghihirapan naman niya yung introduction, no? So please read the introduction of Brother Bo in any of his books or the preface. And wow, answered prayer. One day I can get
after 1 hour po yung
See, dito pa lang, resort pala ako, nag-drop down na siya. Manager.
Yeah. Ang aking pamangkin, si Pael, grabe. Pamangkin, gusto ko sabihin pinsan, pero oo, isa sa mga matagal na sa TRC. Lolo, kaya nga natanda tuloy ako. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna look for our table. We're table 2. Saan kaya table 2? This will be our dinner.
Starting with sila ni Boss Rex table, tapos
limits nila kasi
nandyan na si okay na
companies, J8 Construction and RJ Development, Real Estate Service to build my buildings for my real estate. By the way, anak, gumagabi na at kailangan ko ng matulog. Magpahinga na ako. Ganito na lang, isasama. Balita ko, meron silang super conference yung friends ko sa Coron. Sama na lang tayo doon.
Grabe, reunion, no? Reunion ng marriage retreat, no? Di ba? Mga...
Ano si Brother Bo? Wala si Brother Bo. May bukas. Walang bukas sa lahat.
And group 3, group 3. Van 3, ayan, mga kasama namin. Maraming tao ngayon. Okay, sundan lang namin ang Van 3. Dito ang Van 3. Ito lagi seatmate na kasama pa sa van, kasama pa sa Dubai. Okay, so ito, protection. I bought a cap na pinagtatawanan ako ni Ana. Hindi daw,
it's a combination of glasses.
Yeah, hindi daw bagay. But anyway, I don't care because it's so hot. So, papunta kami ngayon ng boat. This is, by the way, this is our second day in Super Conference. So, doon kami mag-gathering and siguro...
We finished too late yesterday, so everybody is
sleepy. Yeah. 3, okay. Group 3.
Might go to the wrong.
Grabe, oh, daming tao ngayon, daming magtutour. Compare kahapon na maaga. Number 3 si oh yeah. Okay, there we go.
Biwats, atras na tayo, Biwats. Palit-palit po tayo.
That's a group 2 yata yun. This is the group 3. The group 3 boat. Mga kasamahan ko sa boat.
Joseph, our only destination, Barracuda Lake, Twin Lagoon, and our lunch area in the Banol. For our first destination, it's Barracuda Lake. Barracuda Lake, there's a mandatory to wear the life vest. Good swimmer, not a good swimmer, we need to wear life vest.
Okay.
A few months ago, there's an accident. Welcome to our first destination. Welcome to Barracuda Lake.
Barracuda Lake.
Barracuda Lake. We have 45 steps to go to the lake. Up and down. Okay? And we need to wear your life vest beside the lake. Okay?
Okay.
Ito lang muna, then you wear it inside.
Okay, we're here now in Barracuda Lake. Put our life jacket. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's okay, baby. I'm not wearing shoes. It's slippers. Okay, akit pa kami ngayon. Morning. Oh, look at that. Hello. Look at that. Look at those rock formation.
So beautiful.
Sige, ano na kaya ate? Yes. Ha?
Where are we going?
Sa lake?
Anong lake? No, it's not Twin Lake. Barracuda.
Tapos pala dinala ko yung tripod ko. Okay. Oh, ano na tayo? Tala na kayo. Oh, go.
Page mo, uy.
Ay, sabi bawal daw mabasa.
Bawal mabasa. Grabe.
Mabasa ang phone.
Si Ana.
This is the first lagoon, and the second lagoon over there. On the back of the rack. To go to the next lagoon, there's a tunnel. We can pass it from the tunnel to take a swim. Who wants to use the kayak? To go there.
There we go. Oh, ito.
Eric.
Yeah, okay. No choice. Sama ako, sama.
Only one guy sa lahat,
Okay, there you go. Ayan na. Ito na, pwede na. Pwede na kayong magano. Oo.
each other doon. Pwede pa dito.
Yan, baba na. Look at that. They're doing kayaking.
Sino mag-ahatak sa atin?
Si Lucy. Si Lucy mag-ahatak.
Okay?
Finally here. Nandito na lahat ang buong group. Yes. Hello, hello everyone. Oh, saan tayo? Saan? Boat 1. Boat 2.
Boat 2 nawala ako, naligaw ako.
Ay, boat 3 ba tayo? Ah, okay.
Jumping from one island to another. Let's thank the Lord. You are good. You are generous. You are amazing. You have blessed us in so many ways. And we are truly, deeply grateful. Thank you.
Yes.
Wow.
Royal presentation. So we're gonna have lunch first, and then we're gonna have a mini program later. So those at the other side can join us here.
May ano na si Insan, no? Insan. Mo ko niya. Oh, ayan. Ano ba yung food?
Kulang tatay po. Yay.
Kulang po yan. Sa grupo nila kasi ito, no?
Kukunin natin. Daddy, wipe. Dalaw. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, guys. One thing, may cheating ka. And I'll ask you a question later. So this is going to be a participation by some of our masters, because they were with me early this morning, and Junie and Arthur will share, and plus
photoshoot daw muna si Mrs. Ang malalim. Sige. Habulin si Mrs. Alright, so we're back in the terminal, and we're going back to our hotel. Ice cream. Ice cream, ate? No.
No? Bibigyan ka ni Eric.
Yeah. Ayaw makipaghati, no? We're back. We're back home. Oh, gosh. This will be our place for dinner. The garden. What it looks like. Super conference. What's that?
Wi-Fi code, sir.
Oh, Wi-Fi code. Thank you. Okay, so what's today, babe? Anong gagawin natin dito? Do you know?
Feast. So I'm not sure if it's the dinner.
Look at the place. Let's go. Let's look for. Is it like open seating? Okay, so we're gonna go for sunset viewing.
We sleep.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Where's the hubby?
Next time, option mo for booking.
The ramen cold, drink. Picture taking muna ang mga girls of the Kobe girls.
May video.
1, 2,
3. No, that's not leadership. Leadership is when we develop other leaders. Kanina may nagtanong sa akin, Sir, paano yung mga 50,000 people, 10,000 people? Who were those ladies who were with me asking that? Right? Yes. On that table. See, tinatanong yun. There has to be an organization. You cannot have 20 direct reports. You cannot have 30, 40 direct reports. Ako, 10 direct reports lang. Tingnan.
Does he have the right to sell it?
No.
Does he have the right to make it into a casino?
No.
He has none. All he has to do is do what I tell him to do, take care of it, and manage it. The Bible has a term for it. We are God's stewards. Everybody say that again. I'm God's steward. You are the owner.
You're the owner.
My entire life.
My entire life.
Every breath that I take.
Every breath that I
comes
take.
from you. Every moment of my life.
Every moment of my
every
life.
second comes from you. My body comes from you.
Every breath that I am, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Okay, we're done with our second day.
Hi.
And we're going back to the hotel.
Yeah, we're so tired, and tomorrow we need to wake up at 5:30.
5:30
because we
for
have
the
a hike.
hike.
And then we're gonna run back. Did you hear?
Oh.
The idea of running back
Oh
to the
yeah.
hotel.
Okay,
So,
that'll be fun.
yeah, I'm
Okay.
excited.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, so this hindi naman siya retreat. This whole super conference, it's not just about the learning techniques and things. It's also has a different approaches. Like we go different resorts. Like today we had a sunset and many different things that we're doing. So basically, like there's some activities, sporty activities are very nice.
Yeah.
I'm very surprised.
Yeah, fun. Okay, we're gonna go back to the hotel. Our van is here.
Someone has to press.
Which one to press?
Don't get that.